Hey guys, today we're gonna play some dress up. So my GD outfits for my Labubus have arrived and you can watch me dress them up. So I plan to put this red outfit on my red Love Labubu and perhaps this peachy color with the Daisy Peace -1 outfit and handbag on Loyalty. I think it'll match both Loyalty or Happiness, but we'll see. Let's dress up Love Labubu first. Okay, so this is the before. This is from Big Into Energy, Labubu third version 3. This is the GD outfit. See the details. Put the pants on first. Okay, that took me some time to get the pants on. And now let's put the Rose's outfit on her. I think this is one of my favorite outfits. So cute. The necklace. It only came with this necklace. I added these GD. It came with a original. I went to a Big Bang concert and I bought like one of the gifts was this on a fragrance, so I might use this as jewelry for one of them later. It says GD. Okay. And then for the shoes, let me put them offline and come back. That's one shoe on and another to go. And here's GD wearing both his shoes. And for the final cherry on top is the red crown. So let me get a close-up of this. It's all handmade with red and silver crystals. So I've decided to probably put this in the front. This is the final look. Inside. For now, let's put it there. And then we can do Loyalty. Loyalty's gonna have the suit. Also comes with a like necklace or jewelry on the top with a handbag. This is the Chanel purse that GD was wearing, and I think that's a classic flap. And here are the white shoes for this outfit. So let me take these out of their bags and get a closer look. These are all handmade. So it took a while to come. I think I ordered these 3 weeks ago, and it only arrived the other day. And I wanted to get these in time before I go see the GD concert in early August, or mid-August, yeah. So let me put these on offline, and I can put the accessories on later. Okay, so this is how she looks with just the pants on, and then I can put her top on. It's a really nice top. It's longer in the back. And you can see the daisy, which represents GD, Peace -1 petal. And I thought I'd choose Loyalty to match this outfit because Loyalty has a yellow nose, which will match the daisy. Let's find her hand. There we go. And then it's Velcro to make it easier. Let's see. Here we go. Can't really see any hands. I think if I put these in the first version, Exciting Macaroons, they might fit a little better, but yeah. And then let's put the shoes on. Get a close up of these white shoes. They look the same as the ones earlier, but just in white. They have a soft top, so it's easier for you to put the feeties in, the Labubu feeties in. And what I found easier is that I tie up the shoelaces first on these, and then we can put them on to the Labubu. So I'll be right back. And here's the final result with the white shoes and the outfit. And let's put the handbag. Chanel Classic Flap. I think this was made purposely for GD. So I'll just remove. And finally, the crown. This would be for the front. And it's made like so beautifully. Again, it's all handmade. This is how Loyalty Labubu will look. If I can find the photos of how they look, if I can find a photo of how GD looks in these outfits, I will put them on the screen. And ta-da! These were my two favorites because of their crowns. So cute. I'm on their side. There we go. These are my GD Labubus. I'm not gonna lie, a bunch of these have been falling off already on the red crown, the red crystals, but I think should be fine. Again, let's have a closer look. And thanks for watching, guys.
Put your hands in the air. How you feeling out there? We gon' party over here, but you got to see it. Let me say la 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 la.